first my mom. Ever since, kahit meron kaming mga misunderstandings, when it comes to my feelings, when it comes to alam niyang nasasaktan ako, she's always there for me. Siya yung unang-unang magte-text na parang, are you okay? We can, if you want, you can come here, we can just hang out, gano'n. That's a side of her siguro na hindi nakita ng mga tao. She's a mom talaga. Yan. Yung dad ko naman, comfort ko din siya kapag meron akong pinagdadaanan, I run to him, then yung vibe naman ng dad ko, very gentle kasi siya, so he's very comforting. When I'm with him, okay na, feel at home na rin. We're exploring our newfound relationship kasi nga, now that I'm older, mas nakikilala ko talaga siya. Yung dad ko kasi, grabe siya, musician talaga siya. So, nag-enjoy kami to spend time with each other, listening to music. Sometimes, he shows me, I'm writing this for you. So, ayun, pinaparinig niya sa akin yung mga... Tapos yung mga songs ko sa album, pinapakinig ko sa kanya. He's gonna tell me his comment din. Basta, I'm enjoying now my relationship.